Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2021 Ram ProMaster 2500 van. This casting is by Greenlight and it's in 1/64 scale. So if you see, this has got a special paint or livery to it, and I think it's the Mexico post. I can read it. It says Corres de Mexico, but I don't speak Spanish or I think whatever language is spoken in Mexico, so I can't really understand this. But seems like with the photos and everything that it's a post van. Now it's in 1/64 scales and has got some good details. Let's start from the front. So in the front, you've got nicely detailed headlamps, bumper finished in black with Ram badge, and it also mentions Corres de Mexico in front. So it's a vehicle, right? A post of vehicle. You also get both the windshield wipers and the mirrors, which look good. Some marker lamps on the top, but they are not painted. In today's era, they might be just LED, so you don't even need a color, I guess. Now coming back to the driver's side, again some good details here. You obviously see the paint continues. Wheels which look nice with rubber tires. You got the plastic cladding front and back, and the trim is going here. Door also has a detailed door handle, and the windows also look nice with the details on them. Mirrors also have silver finish to kind of show it's reflective, I guess. Coming to the back, the same paint theme continues. Split door. You got the Ram badge, the detailed tail lamps, door handle, more stop lamps on the top. I think this one also carries the camera in current vehicles. Then there's this small step or the rear bumper finished in black. You can see the hinges for the door. So a lot of good details in the back. On the passenger side, there's small difference. It has a sliding door, so you can see the door handle here, and then you can see the rail or the place where the door slides. And it's a panel van, so no glasses. It's a cargo van, right? Interior is finished in black and has some good details in there. Not painted details, but some nice details. And this is how the van looks from the top. And this is how the base looks with some details. And you can see it's a metal base. So overall, I think it's a nice looking van. Has got some really good details on it. It's nice painted details. And if you like vans, if you just like to collect post office models, I think you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.